Hey everyone, you know YouTube is the best platform to earn money from your video content, but the issue is it is challenging to get approval for the YouTube Partner Program. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to two YouTube alternatives that offer low competition and high rewards for making money quickly and easily. The two platforms we'll be discussing are Twitch and Rumble. Let's start with Twitch. Twitch is a live streaming platform that's primarily used for gaming, but it's also used for other types of content like music, art, and talk shows. Twitch offers two main plans to earn money from streaming. In your Twitch dashboard, under Achievement, you will see there are two programs, Affiliate and Partner Programs. The Affiliate program is one you can achieve very quickly. It requires 50 followers, 8 stream hours, streaming on 7 days, and an average of 3 viewers. When you join the Twitch affiliate program, it offers several ways to make money, including through subscriptions, sharing, and ad revenue share. The great thing about Twitch is that Twitch affiliate programs are available globally. Also, there's less competition compared to YouTube, which means it's easier to get noticed and build a following. Some successful Twitch streamers have made a significant income from the platform, so it's definitely worth considering if you're looking to make money quickly and easily. To get started with Twitch, simply create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button on the home page. It requires you to fill in some basic information, such as your username, password, birthday, and phone number. After that, you can customize your Twitch channel by uploading a logo and adding your information and social links. If you have set up all of the settings, you can go to the Stream tab and start your first stream on Twitch. Now let's talk about Rumble. Rumble is a video sharing platform that's similar to YouTube but with a few key differences. Rumble offers video licensing and revenue sharing, which means you can earn money by licensing your videos to other websites and media outlets. The incredible feature of the Rumble is that you don't need to meet any requirements to start making money on it. On the first day, you can upload videos and make money. To get started with Rumble, create an account with your basic information. Then you can create a new channel on the Rumble dashboard. Instantly, you can upload your videos and earn money. So how do Twitch and Rumble compare to YouTube? Well, both platforms offer low competition and high rewards compared to YouTube. Both platforms are easy to use and offer great opportunities for making money quickly and easily. The only issue is that these two platforms are not as popular as YouTube, so you will experience a low number of views compared to YouTube. Make sure to optimize your content for each platform and engage with your audience to build a following. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any issues regarding this video, add them to our forum. Thanks for watching.